Hey guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel Take AI. Today in this video, let's learn about how to use OpenAI on phones. So let's get started. For that, let's get into any browser and search for OpenAI and let's get into it. Now over here, we need to click on menu option over here on the top right and click on login. Now we need to enter our login details. For that, you can choose your ChatGPT or API. Let's go for ChatGPT for now. Now click on login if you have already signed up, and if not, you can click on sign up to create a new account. Now enter your email address or you can simply continue with Google. So here we are in OpenAI ChatGPT interface. Now you can enter your message and chat here. So that is all. I hope you liked the video. Please do like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.